In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to use Wi-Fi Direct on the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4303 to print directly from your phone without a router.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Wi-Fi Direct allows you to connect your phone directly to the printer without using a wireless network. This makes printing simple, fast, and very convenient. Follow the steps shown in the video. First, open the menu from the screen. Then go to the Settings option and open it. Now open the Network option. Now you can clearly see the Wi-Fi Direct option. Open it. From here you can easily turn Wi-Fi Direct on or off. Now to view the Wi-Fi Direct name and password, open View Details. Here you can easily view the Wi-Fi Direct name and password. Now take your phone and go to the Wi-Fi settings. You will easily see the printer name, then enter the password to connect. Now select your file and find the print option. Choose your printer, adjust the print settings if needed, and then tap Print to start printing. As you saw in this video, Wi-Fi Direct on the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4303 makes printing extremely easy without needing any router or internet connection. You can quickly connect your phone, send your files, and start printing in just a few simple steps. This is a very practical solution for fast and wireless printing in everyday use. I hope this video helped you.